Over 100 years ago, everything started with this hand-operated meat mincer, and this is the outcome. Meanwhile, AS is market leader for universal kitchen machines. An innovative traditional brand made in Germany, absolute top quality in stainless steel. During my career as a chef, I've seen the great devices by AlexanderSolia many times. Today, AlexanderSolia offers smaller machines for gastronomy, bigger machines for community catering, and even systems for industrial food processing. Bigger is always a possibility. Tough, daily, practical use shows what the machines are really capable of. Here, the machines by AlexanderSolia are a class of their own. Tomatoes or cooked potatoes are cut with exceptional quality. But the machines by AlexanderSolia can do even more. They are as unique as our job and as versatile in use. All safety and hygiene regulations are met. What am I saying? They're actually exceeded. But now we get to the details. All in one place, here are the vegetable cutter and multi-purpose kitchen machines by AlexanderSolia. In times of skills shortage, these are just indispensable. They are usable for 30 to 600 servings a day. I'm going to introduce them to you one by one now. Like every AlexanderSolia machine, the Cutty G5.1 is entirely made of stainless steel. It can be used for cutting, grating, shredding and dicing, while having a lot of practical features to make working in a kitchen easier. Multi-purpose kitchen machines M6 and M50 are real multi-talents and naturally use 100% stainless steel. They have so many functions I can't even remember them all and have to read them to you. Cutting, grating, shredding, straining, pureeing, stirring, beating, kneading, chopping, staking, tenderizing, just amazing. Of course, these icons have been continuously enhanced over the years and have many practical uses which are indispensable in our line of work. If the Cutty M6 or M50 isn't enough, choose the G450. Depending on the product, we are talking about a throughput of up to 4,000 kilograms per hour. Washing salad, fruit and vegetables already annoyed me when I was an apprentice. Today, that's not a problem with the salad and vegetable washing machines by AlexanderSolia. Everything is washed automatically and digitally controlled. The machine runs on its own, and even the most delicate foods are washed and centrifuged. What's best, you are saving costs on energy, water and labor. Scientifically proven, it's 3 times cleaner than washing by hand. And honestly, who wants salad to scrunch when you eat it? If we are talking about stirring, beating or kneading, you are truly well equipped with the machines by AlexanderSolia. I really like the easy handling. You just choose the time and speed, and everything's ready to go. The machines are available with bowl capacities from 5 up to 200 liters. With sizes 20 liters and bigger, you can also use a smaller bowl. Therefore, you are prepared for all production volumes. What's really awesome, like usual with AlexanderSolia, everything's stainless steel. I would have loved to have had this machine 20 years ago, the solid, stable, stainless potato washing and peeling machine by AlexanderSolia. This is a huge time advantage in prep kitchen. With the machine running on its own, your chefs can take care of more important things than peeling potatoes or carrots. I really like the cushioning effect of rubber-lined interior. This way, potatoes get less bruises during the peeling process.
Wenn die Kartoffel hin und her geschleudert wird, kriegt sie weniger Druckstellen und wird auch nicht so schnell braun.
The energy efficiency is also sensational, since the machine is only running and pulls water when the lid is closed. As soon as I open the lid, the machine stops running. When I open the door for gentle release, the machine automatically reduces the speed, so I won't have potatoes flying through the kitchen. This is the complete range of products. Now you'll see the details for each machine.
Burger frisch gewolft.
Mincing your own burgers. For that, your guests will really admire you. And the meat mincers by AlexanderSolia are giving you huge advantages. First advantage, I know what I'm throwing into the top and can certify the outcome down here. Second advantage, I can put a GN container beneath the mincer and don't have to put up with transferring the product before continuing to process it. I really like the smart control of the mincers, making overloading impossible. What's really cool is that I can just remove the mincer with 2 screws. When idling for half an hour, I just put the mincer in the fridge and assemble it again afterwards, allowing me to immediately make fresh patties again. I really like the exterior hub that doesn't even touch the worm, preventing contamination of the meat, and everything is flawlessly hygienic.
Und alles ist hygienisch einwandfrei.
The mixing machines by AlexanderSolia allow you to gently and homogeneously mix bowl contents from 5 up to 120 kilograms. For example, tzatziki, potato salad, coleslaw, kebab, or even minced meat. There are no limits to the imagination. Be creative. Whenever food is processed in large quantities, equally important as the quality and dependability of the machines is a high throughput in a short time. These are AlexanderSolia's top performers. And this is the end of our tour around AlexanderSolia's world of machines. Over 100 years ago, everything started with this meat mincer, and this is the outcome. Amazing. I can't even imagine my line work without these devices anymore. I hope you found something for you too. Goodbye.